Hello guys, welcome back to Aditya Financial Insights. तो NISM Equity Derivative Course में ये आज का दसवां लेक्चर है गाइस। तो ये आज लास्ट है। तो हम आज 10th लेक्चर में समाप्त करेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट पार्ट 46 चैलेंज एंड रिस्क इन डेरिवेटिव ट्रेडिंग। तो गाइस क्वेश्चन 446 से शुरुआत करते हैं। What are the key challenges associated with the derivative valuation? Derivative valuation can be complex due to fluctuating market conditions, the need for accurate model, and dependence on real-time data. Execution guide 447. How does country counterpart risk affect the derivative trading? Counterpart risk arises when one part fails to fulfill its contractual obligation, potential causing financial loss and marketing disruption. Execution guide 448. What are the risks of excessive leverage in derivative trading? Excessive leverage amplifies potential gains and losses, exposing traders to significant financial risk during market downturn. Execution guide 449. How do liquidity constructs impact derivative market? Limited liquidity can lead to price insufficiency, increased transaction cost, and difficulty in exciting position during volatile periods. What are the risks associated with mispricing derivatives? Mispricing can lead to loss for the trader and investors, disrupting market efficiency and undermining confidence in derivatives valuation model. Execution guide 451. How does market volatility influence derivative trading strategy? High volatility can create opportunity but also increase the risk of unpredictable price movement. Challenge risk management effort. Institution guide 452. What challenges do regulatory changes pose to derivative traders? Regulatory changes can increase compliance, force restrict trading practice, and create uncertainty in market operation. Institution guide 453. What are the operational risks in derivative market? Operational risks include error in trade execution system, failure, cybersecurity breach, and inadequate risk control. 455. How does reliance on complex model impact derivatives? This overdependence on model can lead to inaccurate in prediction, exposing trader to unforeseen risk in dynamic market. Description guide 455. What is the significance of monitoring system risk in derivative market? Monitoring system risk helps prevent widespread financial instability caused by the interconnected market and institutions. तो गाइस पार्ट 46 खत्म हो गया। अब हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट 47 में शुरुआत करेंगे जिसमें कि डेरिवेटिव्स एंड मार्केट एनालिसिस टेक्निक के बारे में एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। तो शुरुआत करते हैं गाइस पार्ट 47 से। क्वेश्चन 456 से व्हाट इज द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस इन डेरिवेटिव ट्रेडिंग? Technical analysis involves studying price chart patterns and indicators to predict future market movement and optimize trading. Next question is for 57. How does fundamental analysis apply to derivatives market? Fundamental analysis evaluates economic factors, company performance, market trend to assess the value of underlying asset derivatives. Next question is for 58. What is the significance of implied volatility in market analysis? Implied volatility reflects market expectation of future price fluctuation, influencing option pricing and risk assessment. Next question guys for 59. How do moving average assist in derivative trading? Moving average smooths out price data, helping traders identifying trends and potential reversal points in derivative market. Then future guide for 60. What is the role of sentiment analysis in derivative trading? Sentiment analysis gauges market mood by analyzing news, social media, investor behavior, informating trading decisions. Next is the 461. How to Hypoponic detachment aid in market analysis. Hypoponic detachment identify potential support and resistance level, guiding entry and exit point for derivative trader. Next section guys, 462. What is the importance of option interest in derivative analysis? Open interest indicates the market activity and liquidity, helping traders access the strength of price trend. Next section guys, 463. How does the relative strength index benefit derivative trader? RSI measure moment, identify overbought, oversold condition to inform trading strategy. Next section guys, 464. What is the application of Bollinger Band in derivative trading? Bollinger Band highlights price volatility and potential breakout point, aiding in risk management and strategy development. Description guide 465. How does candlestick pattern enhance market analysis? Candlestick pattern reveal market sentiment and potential reversal, providing visual cue for the trading decision. Next is guide पार्ट 47 बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था ये मार्केट में ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए बहुत ही जबरदस्त जानकारी है तो आप जरूर इससे ध्यान रखिएगा नेक्स्ट पार्ट गाइड करते हैं पार्ट 48 में डेरिवेटिव्स एंड इमर्जिंग मार्केट तो देखते हैं डेरिवेटिव्स एंड इमर्जिंग मार्केट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन 466 से हाउ डू डेरिवेटिव्स कंट्रीब्यूट टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इमर्जिंग मार्केट डेरिवेटिव प्रोवाइड्स फ्लोज फॉर हेजिंग रिस्क enhancing liquidity, attracting foreign investors, supporting economic growth in emerging markets. What challenges do emerging markets facing adopting derivatives? Challenges include lack of infrastructure, limited regulatory framework, and low investor awareness, which hinder derivatives market development. 468. How do currency derivatives benefit emerging economies? Currency derivatives help stabilize exchange rates, mitigate foreign exchange risk, and improve cross-border trade for emerging economies. 469. What is the impact of commodity derivatives on emerging markets? Commodity derivatives enable producers to hedge against price volatility, supporting a stable income and investment growth. 470. How can derivatives improve financial literacy in emerging markets? Education program on derivatives enhance understanding among investors, increase market participants, and fostering financial inclusion. 471. What role do global partnerships play in advancing derivative marketing in emerging economies? Collaborative effort with the international institution provides technical expertise, funding, support for establishing robust derivative market. Restriction line 472. How do regulatory reforms influence derivative adoption in emerging markets? Reform recreate transparent and reliable trading environment, encouraging trust and participation in derivative markets. Next section guide 473. How does digital innovation impact derivative trading in emerging economies? Digital platforms increase accessibility, reduce costs, and enhancing market efficiency, driving growth in derivative adoption. Execution guide 474. What is the significance of derivative for agriculture development in emerging markets? Agriculture derivatives help farmers hedge against price fluctuation, ensuring financial stability, fostering sustainable growth. Execution guide 475. How do derivatives support economic resilience in emerging markets? By providing risk management tools, derivatives strengthen financial stability, help economic widespread global shocks. So guys, part 48 the साफ होता है और नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम 49 में देखते हैं डेरिवेटिव्स एंड स्ट्रेटजिक बिजनेस एप्लीकेशन के बारे में देखेंगे। तो 476 से शुरुआत करते हैं गाइस। हाउ डू बिजनेस यूज डेरिवेटिव टू ऑप्टिमाइज सप्लाई चेन कॉस्ट? Derivatives such as commodity futures help companies lock in price for raw material, reducing uncertainty, managing procurement costs. Next question is 477. What is the role of interest rate swap in corporate financing? Interest rate swaps allow business to manage exposure to fluctuating rates, aligning debit obligations with financial strategy. Next question is 428. How can currency options support international expansion? Currency options mitigate foreign exchange risk, ensuring a stable financial planning for companies entering new markets. 479. How can do how do derivatives contribute to strategic merger and acquisition? Derivatives help manage risk associated with the fluctuating asset price, interest rate, currency dividend, mature MA transaction. Next section is 48. How are derivatives used to diversifying investor portfolio? By providing exposure to various asset classes, derivatives enhance portfolio diversification, balance risk-reward profile. 481. What is the significance of weather derivatives in project planning? Weather derivatives offer financial protection against adverse weather conditions, ensuring business continuity in climate sensitivity industry. Next question, guys, 482. How do derivatives assist in managing operational risk? Derivatives hedge against price and rate volatility, supporting consistent operational cost and budgeting. Restrictions are 483. What is the application of credit derivatives in risk management strategy? Credit derivatives transfer credit risk to other parties, reducing exposure to default and enhancing business stability. Restrictions are 484. How do derivatives enable business to achieve competitive advantage? By managing risk effectively, derivative allows company to allocate resources strategy and capitalize on market opportunities. Next section guys 485. How do derivatives support innovation in business model? Business use derivative to create tailored solutions for risk management, enabling innovation approach to the financial planning. तो guys पार्ट 49 समाप्त हो चुका और ये आखिरी पार्ट है गाइस जिसमें कि हम 50 पार्ट देखेंगे डेरिवेटिव्स एंड फ्यूचर ट्रेंड देखते हैं। ये आखिरी पार्ट है। मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं 46 का। हाउ विल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस शेप द फ्यूचर ऑफ डेरिवेटिव मार्केट? AI will enhance trading efficiency, risk management, and pricing accuracy through the real-time data analysis and predictive modeling. Next question guys 47. What is the role of sustainability-linked derivative in future market? Sustainability-linked derivative will promote ESG goals by typically financial performance to environmental and social outcomes. Next question guys 48. How will blockchain technology transfer derivative trading? Blockchain will enable transparent, secure, and decentralized trading, reducing settlement time and counterpart risk. Next question guys 49. What is the potential impact of quantum computing on derivatives? Quantum computing could revolutionize derivatives pricing, risk modeling by solving complex calculation at unprecedented speed. Next question is for 19. How will geopolitical shifts influence derivative markets? Geopolitical changes may drive demand for derivatives to hedge against currency, commodity, interest rate risk in volatility region. Next question guys 491. What are the prospects for digital asset derivatives? Digital asset derivatives will expand as cryptocurrency and tokenized asset gain mainstream acceptance, offering new trading opportunities. Next question guys 492. How will regulatory advancements shape derivatives market? Evolving regulation will enhance transparency and reduce risk, fostering trust and participants in derivative trading. 493. What role will food technology play in future derivatives market? Cloud solution will offer a stable platform for data storage and analysis, improving accessibility and operational efficiency. Next question, guys. 494. How will emerging market influence the growth of derivatives? Emerging market will drive derivative adoption and financial system mature, creating opportunity for global market expansion. Next question, guys. 495. What trend will define future of risk management in derivatives? Integrated risk platform, AI-driven tools, innovative products will reduce define how market participants manage derivatives exposure. Next question guys 496. How will derivatives support the transition to a digital economy? Derivatives will provide risk management tools for digital business, stabilizing revenue, and the evolving digital landscape. 497. What is the future of personalized derivatives? Customized derivatives tailored to individual clients' need will grow, offering solutions for niche markets and specific financial goals. As questioned by 498. How will derivatives market address global economic uncertainty? Derivatives will remain essential for hedging against inflation, currency fluctuation, economic shock in uncertain times. 499. What innovation in derivatives education are expected in future? Interactive platform gamification, AI tutor will make derivatives education more engaging and accessible worldwide. Next question guys. Your last question is total cost. What is the overall outlook for derivative market? The derivative landscape will continue to evolve driven by technology innovation, sustainability goals, global market integration. तो गाइस ये टोटल कोर्स समाप्त हुआ और ये कोर्स मैंने जबरदस्त लेक्चर में कंप्लीट किया गाइस। थैंक यू और इसी तरह आप आगे बढ़ते रहिए और congratulations from my side. You read your incredible milestone. Have a little future. A true masterpiece of effort, curiosity. Thank you guys.